Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everybody. It's Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton. I'm live outside of Hayward Field on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon for the 2013 start of the Outdoor Track and Field Championships. We've had a lot of events going on behind us. A couple of 100-meter qualifying for the folks to get into Friday's final. And we've seen a lot of athletes walking around as well. Nice, good buzz down here. If you've got tickets, let's see what the weather forecast is, either if you're coming out for the rest of the night after work tonight, or if you've got tickets for the next couple of days. Right now, visual satellite just showing a little bit of that marine cloud cover just kind of sliding its way, oozing down the coast. Otherwise, you get just inland. It is clear skies, and it's pretty much going to stay that way for us for most of the night tonight and pretty much most of the rest of the week. Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep not showing any showers out there. Weak cold front that came through earlier today really has not done much of it, or not had much of an impact on our forecast, I should say, and allowed the temperatures to get into the mid-80s today. Right now, we're sitting at 83 in Eugene. We're at 88 as you get to Roseburg, 83 out in Bend, 67 on top of Willamette Pass, and around 60 as you head out towards Florence and North Bend. So pollen count, as I mentioned, 661 for the grass. That's higher than it was yesterday, and that's just pretty ridiculous considering that 200 starts the very high category. So we're about 3 times above that. Overnight tonight, we'll see the pollen settle down again. Clear skies for just about everybody as we go in towards tomorrow morning. A couple of hours of some pre-dawn fog and low clouds just after sunrise. Otherwise, I think we're back to sunny skies, and here's why. Big ridge of high pressure continues to sit just off of our coastline there. Now, you notice, yes, last night I had that ridge a little sharper, right? Tonight, it's a little more flattened out, and that's in response to not only the weak front that moved through, but that big area of low pressure kind of snarling its way across the northern end of the Gulf of Alaska. Now, that actually is not going to swing through here. It's actually going to just sit out there over the next couple of days, but what it will do is eventually just kind of nudge that jet stream a little further south, meaning that it'll flatten that ridge out, which is basically just going to shave our temperatures a degree or two. So we'll not be as warm as what we were today and likely tomorrow, but we'll also be looking at a chance for a very comfortable forecast with some sunshine and temperatures holding around 80 degrees each and every day as we get into the weekend. Next week, we'll start to see a cooler air mass move in. That'll finally get us back a little closer to where we should be this time of year, which is in the low 70s. So a sunny afternoon after the clouds start to break up along the coast. We'll see the temperatures in the upper 50s to around 62 degrees for tomorrow. Mid-60s both Friday and Saturday. Then as we get in towards next week, we'll see a slight chance to bring in some showers. I think probably Wednesday and Thursday. May see some late Tuesday night as well. We'll get timing once we get a little closer to it. Morning clouds, sunny skies by the afternoon. The Umpqua warm but not as hot. We'll get back into the upper 80s on Friday and then slowly cooling off by next week back down into the mid-70s. It will feel much more refreshing than the hot temperatures we had today. Sunny and warm in the Cascades. Freezing levels remain at 14,000 feet in the low 70s. We'll also be looking at a sunny afternoon. Warm out in Bend and Redmond. Temperatures there will stay in the mid-80s through the next couple of days and then back down into the 70s as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. And finally in the valley, morning clouds, afternoon sun. Temperatures tomorrow just a shade cooler, right around 80 degrees. We'll hold that both Friday and Saturday. I think we got a great weekend ahead of us here. Certainly a lot of events. All of the finals will be here Friday and Saturday as well. So a good weekend overall. But again, Jess, the pollen count's nasty today. Oh. I've been seeing, I counted at least 3 or 4 people that sneezed just walking past us as we're waiting for our live shot here.
Yeah, you need some sinus medication, some Kleenexes out there, along with your sunscreen, right?
You got it. You need it all.
All right. Thank you, Justin.
You bet.
A group